Are you constantly running on empty, wondering why your energy crashes despite eating right and sleeping enough? What if the missing piece isn't more caffeine or supplements, but your energetic alignment? Let's dive into the ancient healing wisdom of energy medicine. Stay with me because I'll share a surprisingly simple grounding technique you can do every day to recharge your energy field in less than 2 minutes. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava's Avatar, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness, while Dr. Ava is working behind the scenes to help you create health and longevity naturally. Today, we're exploring how energy medicine can help you reignite your inner vitality. Let's talk about what energy medicine is. Energy medicine is the practice of balancing your body's energy fields to support healing and health. Think of your body as an electrical network. Just like a phone needs charging, your energy body needs alignment. In traditional Chinese medicine, we call this life force qi, the energetic current that flows through the meridians. When qi flows freely, you feel strong, calm, and focused. When it's blocked or depleted, fatigue, pain, and emotional imbalance often follow. What are the signs your energy needs balancing? If you're feeling stuck, foggy, or constantly tired, even when blood work says you're fine, you may be experiencing energetic stagnation. Here are a few signs: constant fatigue despite adequate rest, brain fog or scattered thinking, feeling emotionally reactive or numb, chronic aches with no clear diagnosis. These are not signs of weakness, they're signs of imbalance. And the great news, you can rebalance your energy. Now let's talk about practices to restore energetic flow, how to restore that inner current. Qi Gong. This gentle movement practice integrates breath, focus, and posture to cultivate energy flow. Just 10 minutes a day can clear blocks, restore clarity, and create calm. Acupuncture. If Qigong is your daily tune-up, acupuncture is like a full body recalibration. By accessing points along the meridians, acupuncture harmonizes your nervous system, boosts immunity, and restores internal balance. Reiki or hands-on healing. For those more energetically sensitive, Reiki can help you reset without even needing physical touch. It works by clearing energetic stagnation and recharging your aura. Tapping, EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. This blend of meridian stimulation and cognitive reframing is powerful for emotional blockages and stored trauma. What if we combine ancient and modern for amplified healing? You don't have to choose between modern science and ancient healing. Integrating energy medicine with functional medicine or lifestyle changes magnifies the results. Here's an example: pairing Qi Gong with adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha or cordyceps. One supports energetic flow, the other nourishes the nervous system. Or combining acupuncture with vitamin B12 injections, restoring both energetic and physical vitality. Now, for the bonus tip, try earthing. Go barefoot on natural surfaces like grass or soil. This practice, called earthing, grounds your body's energy field, reduces inflammation, and enhances recovery. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference. Remember, you are not broken, you're just out of balance. Energy medicine helps you come home to your natural rhythm. Start small, stay consistent. You'll feel the shift. Like, subscribe, and book your holistic session today. Comment below how you like to ground. Until next time, stay rooted, stay radiant, and beautifully balanced.